Here are 5 mistakes that I see new entrepreneurs make when starting a new business. My name is Natalie and I'm an entrepreneur. I've been in business for 10 years and I've made some of these mistakes myself, but you don't have to. So let's get straight into it. Mistake number 1, not legalizing your business. You have to take your business serious from day one. And that means getting your LLC, getting a business bank account, getting your EIN. That is the foundation of your business, and that is going to show other people that your business is real and legit. That's just what it takes to be a professional business. Mistake 2 is not knowing your audience, and this is called a target customer. You have to know who you want your customer to be. You have to understand them, what attracts them, what do they like, what they don't like. So once you understand who your target customer is, that's going to help you reach them better and to grow your business. Everybody's not going to be buying from you. A lot of people have issues with, oh, my family don't support my business. They're not supposed to. They're not your target customer. I have a photo booth business. My target customer is corporations, brides, and schools. Who my target audience isn't is my family. It's not my friends, and it's not people who can't afford my services. You have to know what you want out of your business to get anywhere. Mistake number 3 is underpricing yourself. I made this mistake when I first started my businesses. I just was scared to price myself, or I wanted to price it to what I thought that people would want to pay. And I want everybody to purchase my stuff. So I made it at a cheap price, but that didn't get me anywhere. Those businesses failed, okay? So know your worth in your business, and don't be afraid to speak up for yourself in business. Be proud of your product, be proud of your service, be proud of yourself as a business owner. You know, it's so hard sometimes building something, and it takes courage to speak up and to showcase something like a business because it's scary. So don't price yourself too low. It's okay. If they don't want to pay for it, it's not for them. Also, everybody's not broke, so there's people that can't afford your services. Mistake number 4, trying to do everything yourself. I did this. I tried to build my website, my logo, everything myself. And guess what? I'm not good at designing. So my website looked horrible, which in return made people not want to purchase anything from me because it looked so bad. I'm not good at making logos. So some stuff you have to let the experts do. Any business that is going to make it to 6-7 figures, they have a team of people that are doing things for them. I also have a team. I have a marketing, advertisement, somebody who does my designs for me. So it takes teamwork to make a dream work. Number 5 is being inconsistent. You have to show up every day for your business. If you want sales every day, you have to show up every day. You get what you put into it. Because when you first start off, you're going to be putting a lot of work in. It's going to take time to draw in customers. But if you be consistent every day, I'm telling you, you will get sales. Your business will grow. But you have to show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe. And if you made any of these mistakes, comment below and let me know what you did. Thanks for watching. Bye.